Hello, fifth graders. We're going to be working on page 136 in your Latin textbook. I'm going to cover drill A with you, and then you may work on drill B and C on your own. Then at the end of the day, you can check it against the answer key that I'll post. So on this page, this is translation from Latin to English, and we are looking at verbs and their personal endings. The two verbs that are covered in drill A are fugio and figo. Fugio, you know, means to flee, and figo to fix or fasten. Now, important to know, fugio is a third IO conjugation verb, and figo is a third conjugation verb. I also pulled out page 50 and 64 from your Latin text so I could show you what you would be using to help you with the translation. First of all, of course, we're going to be using the third conjugation column and the third IO conjugation column. On page 36, what is covered we're going back to the present system, which we've been working in the perfect system, but you'll need to pay attention to present endings, future endings, and then perfect endings as well. All right, so let's get started. Okay, this is an exercise that you have done many times in class, and normally what we'll do is we determine the tense before we even get started. So I'm going to do that with you. I'm going to color code these for you. Going down 1 through 5, we'll work with just fugio, and then we'll do the same thing for figo. So fugio is in the present tense. Fugi is in the perfect tense, and so is fugit. Fugiam is in the future tense. And fugiate is in the future tense as well. Now let's go back and determine what person they are. Fugio, you know, is first person singular. Fugi is also first person singular. Fugit, third person singular. So fugiam is first person singular, and fugiate is third person singular. Now that we've done all of the preliminary work, it becomes very simple to translate. Fugio, first person singular present tense, is I flee. Fugi, first person singular perfect tense, is I fled. Third person singular perfect tense is he fled. First person singular future tense, fugiam, is I will flee. And third person singular fugiate is she will flee. Okay, and we're going to do all the preliminary work for figo as well. Remember now, you can refer back. Figo is a third third conjugation verb, and so we are going to be working from this column right here. Figo, let's go ahead and figure out, let's go work down and call out the tenses and then the person. So figo, we know is, and if you don't know, you can look back, is present tense. Fugit is also present tense. And now fixit, because of that X right there, and you know that the third principal part of figo is fixi, so we drop the I, and then we can add our ending, but that is perfect tense. And then fijam and fijate are future tense. Now let's go do the person as well. So for figo, we have first person singular. Fugit, we have third person singular, that T tells us. Fixit is third person singular. And fijam is first person singular. And then fijate is third person singular. So all first and third and all singular. Now let's go ahead and we've done the preliminary work, and translation then becomes very easy. So figo is I. Now remember this verb is fix or fasten, but I'm just going to write fix down here. So I fix. Fijit is he fixes. Fixit, that's the perfect tense. He or she fixed. Of course, you could say it too. Oops. Hope you can tell that is an X there. Fijam and fijate, moving into future. Fijam is I will fix. And then fijate is he, she, it will fix. Okay, and so you're going to do drill B and C on your own. Faccio and Yaccio are actually third IOs, so you'll be using this again. And then underneath that is vivo and venio, and vivo is a third conjugation, and venio is a fourth, and I also have your fourth conjugation listed for you. So remember, you can check your answers with the answer key at the end of the day.